Good morning, everybody, and nice morning here in Trinidad. And we're getting the boat ready to be underway. We're trying to finish everything. We hydrolock the motor, we fix it up. We did the solar panels, so we're good. We installed the new radar post, and we're preparing the deck. We're going to clean the deck and we're going to polish it. The same thing with the hull. But we do have a little maintenance thing we got to do. Our halyard is being frayed, and I guess I can't splice it right now. I don't have the tool. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a knot here. I'm thinking a Halyard Hitch or a Scaffold Knot. So I'm going to do it with both variations, and you guys let us know which one you think is the best. So you can see here how frail it is. So I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to cut it somewhere here. And then I'm going to try to do the Scaffold Knot or a Halyard Hitch. And you guys let me know which one you think is best. And then I'm going to just burn it a bit. Make sure all the threads are melted through. So first I'm going to try the Halyard Hitch. So I got the line in, and I'm going to do, so I'm going to start from here, my line. So I'm going to do one, maybe I need a little bit more, 1, 2, 3. And on the 4th here, maybe I'll do one more. Okay, and I'm going to pass it right in here. In between the two, right there. So this right here is the Halyard Hitch. So it kind of locks in place. Maybe it has to pass through here. Yeah. Right there. And here it is. So this is the Halyard Hitch. So it seems that under load is going to get tighter and tighter. It will not get undone. Now let's try the Scaffold Knot. It's kind of hard. When it gets tight, it's really hard to undo it. Now the Scaffold Knot, it's almost like the noose knot. So we go again. We're going the same way. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to pass the line down. It's going to go through here. I believe it's going to have to go through here too. Let me see. I kind of like the Scaffold Knot better because it goes parallel to this. But I think they're both good. And and here it is, Scaffold Knot. So guys, let us know which one's better. I think